Good morning, friends. I hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today is an awesome day because my computer is finally back up and working. We fixed all the issues that we were having the other day, so that makes me feel very good that I'm able to get back on to doing projects. Real quick, I just wanted to say, if you haven't heard of Logan Tremelin, please go check out his channel. He just posted a really great video of documenting his journey this year, struggling with his Crohn's disease and his recent surgery. So I highly recommend you guys check that out and go buy some of his merch while you're at it. Today is a rainy day. Today we are working down in the basement, so let's go.
Okay, you ready to work now? Yeah. Low height. And then up there, so
See, did you put these two together and you twist them together, you put those two together, you twist them together, and then you put in this. Sorry about that, friends. My battery on my camera died, and well, I just figured, you know what? Might as well just get this project done. And I didn't stick around for the whole project because I get very just impatient and frustrated. Lord help Johnny. So Johnny is just finishing up downstairs. I ordered us some dinner. We got some pizza, so we're gonna go pick up that later. So let's go down and see how he's doing. So dang bright. Johnny said, "Let there be light."
it looks great.
It looks amazing.
I said something I shouldn't have said because I was looking at it.
Thanks so much for watching, friends. I'm gonna go pick up this pizza and we'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.